This is a dual action air cleaner and humidifier. The fan speed is pretty loud. That's just on level 3. That's automatic. Let's just put it on low. So I've been using this for about a week. You can, even if you run the fan on high during the day and nighttime setting, it'll last about 24 hours, and then a little indicator light comes up here to tell you you need to refill it. And if you notice, it tells you the humidity level, right now at 54%. So in auto mode during the day is really nice. It runs as much as it needs to. And then at night, you can put it in this sleep mode. It's running at a very low level fan. You can feel that it's working. So far, this is a very nice humidifier and air cleaner together. So that's my review. I hope it helps.
So I was really excited to see this on Vine because it combines a humidifier with an air purifier. And of course, humidifiers are great in the winter for, like, you know, fending off cold and flu and keeping things healthy respiratory wise, but they do come with to clean them really well, and you should remember to replace the filters and stuff. So the fact that this is 2-in-1 was really cool. This comes out and you put the water in there. The filter for air filter is there. It just comes with this kind of a plug. That means automatic, I believe. That's what I've been putting it on. So it has a hygrometer. It's telling me that I need to refill the water, as you can see, and it's telling me the room humidity there. I think I turn it. I can set it 1, 2, 3, a nighttime mode. I usually just do it on automatic, but nighttime mode is even quieter. But I have to say, this thing is whisper quiet. It's so much quieter than my the other one that I had there. And the fact that it's got this air purifier is amazing. I've been using it for about a month, and it works great. Super easy, super quiet, small, and happy to recommend it.
Okay, so we only use distilled water, never tap water in here. And we didn't have it all the way full, but I went ahead and filled it all the way up, thinking maybe that was why it didn't recognize that it was full. And it keeps flashing that the water isn't full, like the water's low. So I like it, other than the fact that I just now go to use it for the first time and it won't even acknowledge that the water is full.